Hello, hey y'all. It is your Savvy Tax Strategist, Latoya Mack here, owner of Trinity Covered Tax and Business Solutions. Realtors, this video is for you. Don't give up your hard earned commissions by overpaying your annual or quarterly tax bill. I wanted to do this video to let you know some of the things that you can write off in order to reduce your tax bill and save big time. Number one, vehicle mileage or expenses. Yes, you are able to write off those costs associated with that in order to reduce your tax bill. So the IRS will allow you to take the standard mileage deduction for any miles that you incur for driving and showing homes to your clients. If you have to travel to business meetings, conferences, lunches, you are able to write off those miles as well. So it's very important to keep track of a mileage log or have a mileage log that is written or even electronic. There are some cool apps that will actually track the mileage for you automatically every time that you get into the car. Easy and efficient. So you definitely want to keep track of those miles to get that benefit. Um, I recommend if you drive more than 10,000 miles a year, which is so easy to do as a realtor, then that's the deduction that you'll want to take. But you are also able to take actual expenses related to your car. So that would be if you had to make any repairs, get new tires, the oil changes, the gas, you are able to write off those expenses as well. So you can either take the standard mileage deduction or actual expenses. And you definitely want to take the one that's going to give you the biggest benefit, right? Another thing that you can write off are all of your marketing and all of your advertising expenses. So, what are some of these items? That would be, having your business cards designed and printed, also the flyers that you have for your marketing, digital or print, signs for your open houses, your for sale signs, things of that nature, you're able to write off. And in this day and age, there's a lot of online and digital marketing going on. So don't forget those costs. You're able to write off your website design and hosting fees, as well as any pay per click advertising. You're able to write off video production and promotion. So any IT related costs you're able to write off as well as related to marketing and advertising. Other costs that you may be able to write off or that you are able to write off as a realtor are those office expenses and equipment. You're able to write off office related expenses such as stationery, pencils, pens, things of that nature, photocopying, and also any of those consumables that you use to run your business every day. And there's some larger items that you're also able to deduct, such as, your computer, your laptop, printers, fax machines, telephones, and even those TV monitors that you may have in your lobby area. You're able to expense or depreciate those items as well. So you definitely want to keep track of those costs. Also, fees that are membership fees, your licensing renewal fees, fees that you pay quarterly and annual to maintain your license. You're able to deduct those items, including insurance. Any insurance such for errors and omissions insurance that you keep and that you pay for, that your broker does not pay for, any of those expenses that you pay out of your pocket, you are able to deduct those as well. And one of the last things, which is not the only thing, these are not the only expenses. There's so many more, so many more. But these are some of the major ones. And the last one I'm going to cover is your continuing or professional development and also any travel. So, yes, you are able to write off those costs that you incur to keep track of your continuing education requirements. If you attend trade shows, if you go to conferences and trainings, and any fees that are related to those classes and those costs to better yourself in your career, in your field, even if you decide to hire a coach to take your real estate career to the next level, you are able to write off those expenses. And if you have to travel or get on that cruise To do so, you're able to write off those travel expenses associated with that as well. So these are just a few, and it's definitely important to keep track of all these expenses by having a good system in place to track or keep track of all of your records so that you don't miss out on any of these deductions, because if you miss out, then you might be paying too much in taxes. Keep more of your hard earned commissions in your pocket. So we will be glad to help you do that. Please visit our website at www.trinitytaxsolutions to book your free consultation today, and we'll be glad to share with you more expenses that you're able to write off and a system to track it. So that's all I have, but please like, share, comment below, and reach out to us. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, click the little bell at the bottom so that you can be notified every time that we release a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you next time. Bye.